Okay, folks, welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip. Again, today we are talking Civil 3D 2025 and importing survey data. Now, full disclosure, there are a couple different ways you can do this. For a small project with not a lot of points, one of the easiest ways to do this is to simply go to Points, Import, Export Points. In this case, we're going to import. We're going to hit the green Add File button here. We are going to navigate to where your points are saved. In this case, we're going to go to our point file. Now you'll notice you've got a couple different options here for the file format. It's critical that you understand your file format and you pick the right one. In this case, we've got point, northing, easting, elevation, description, and a comma delimited file. For instance, if you were to go easting, northing, and that doesn't match your point file, your points are not going to come in the right place. We will add them to a point group. You can name this boundary monuments or whatever you choose, depending on what you're doing. We're not going to do anything as far as elevation adjustments or coordinate transformations. We want to leave that the same as it is in the file. We can get into this in another video, what this will do. In this case, it was collected in the right coordinate system. The elevations are correct the way they're collected. There's nothing to change here. Hit OK. Zoom extents. You'll see we've got a whole pile of points. Now, if you wanted to examine the points, you can come up to List Points. You'll see this dialog pop up. You can see you've got point number, northing, easting, and your description, elevation, and your description. You can reorder this if you choose the way you'd like it. And you can also change the point layers here. We'll cover that under another field to finish video. In this case, this is just a quick import for a few things. Hope that helps.